Today we are going to solve JAM first question here on the board. A body of mass 2 kg moving vertically upward has its velocity increased uniformly from 10 meter per second to 40 meter per second in 4 seconds. Calculate the upward vertical force. Calculate the upward vertical force acting on the body. So solution. Write that a body of mass 2 kg. So mass of the body is 2 kg moving vertically upward has its velocity increased uniformly from 10 meter per second to 40 meter per second. So the velocity of the body increased from 10 meter per second to 40 meter per second. This 10 meter per second is the initial velocity and 40 meter per second is the final velocity of the body. So U equals to 10 meter per second and B equals to 40 meter per second in 4 seconds. That is time T equals to 4 seconds. Calculate the upward vertical force acting on the body. So the formula for calculating upward vertical force is this. F equals to M into A into G plus A, where this M is mass, this G is acceleration, this G is acceleration due to gravity, and A is acceleration. But we don't have acceleration here. We only have initial velocity, final velocity, and time. But recall, acceleration equals to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. So we can substitute for A. So now F equals to M open bracket G plus bracket of B minus U divided by T, close bracket, then close the main bracket. So that's it. So this is the formula that we are going to use to find the upward vertical force acting on the body. So F equals to M is mass 2. Open bracket G is 10 acceleration plus open bracket B final velocity is 40 minus initial velocity 10 divided by time T 10, close bracket and then close the main bracket. Now F equals to 2 open bracket 10 plus then this bracket 40 minus 10 is 30 divided by 10, close bracket, close bracket. Now F equals to 2, open bracket 10 plus 30 divided by 10. So 30 divided by 10 will give us 7.5. So that's it. Again, F equals to 2, then open bracket 10 plus 7.5 will give us 17.5, and 2 times 17.5 will give us 35 Newton. So this is it. So this is how to find the upward vertical force acting on the body. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, comment, motivate me in the comment section, and then share this video with your colleagues. They will learn also.